Hello everyone, this is Amit. Have you ever logged into a Google account, YouTube account, Gmail account, and all of them you need certain different kind of credentials? The answer is no. If you have a Google account in place, in that you can access using the same without entering up credentials. You can access the YouTube, the Gmail, the Google Docs, and all the resources that comes under the Google with only one set of credentials. And that is what's called the single sign-on. In the single sign-on, you have this one set of credential, username and a password, and through that single set of credential, you can access multiple resources. Like in the case of Google, if you already have a Google account, and that using that same exact credential, you can log in to YouTube, to the Google Drives, to the Google Docs, and to the Play Stores, right? That's what we call in the single sign-on. So now in the security, we have a principle which is called a single point of failure. In this entire architecture of single sign-on, we have a problem that if that particular set of credential is breached, then the hacker have an access to all your other accounts in place. That the hacker can access your Google Docs, your Gmail account, your YouTube, everything, right? And we do not want that kind of a scenario. So that is what a single sign-on is all about. If that particular things get collapsed, everything collapses with it, right? So in order to resolve that kind of an issue, we have another factor in place which is called the MFA, multi-factor authentication. We use MFA with the single sign-on to strengthen its capacity. And in that case, what will happen is that you just not only need the username and a password, but you need some other kind of an authentication mechanism as well. Like you can have a code in the Google Authenticator, which you enter it up a 6-digit code for 30 seconds. And once it's done, then you are successfully logged in inside the Google ecosystem. And there you can access all the products that are present in the Google. And that's the power of the single sign-on. Otherwise, if there would be no single sign-on, trust me, in order to access all your YouTube, Google, Gmail, Google Docs, everything, you will be needing different credentials, and managing them would be a tremendous job for you. At the same time, single sign-on makes our life much more easier. I just need one set of single credential with the MFA in order to access a plethora of resources in the Google ecosystem. So guys, that's for it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.